Our Mexican themed kit is all about exploring the culture of Mexico. We talk about rainforests, which are found in Mexico. A lot of kids just think of Mexico as a desert. We talk about the rodeo and how it was founded in Mexico, and how hot chocolate came from Mexico and was considered a sacred drink by the Aztecs. As they explore more information on here and do some of their own research, they can then scan the code right here on the back, which will link them to even more information about those concepts here on the front. Also on the back, we have our club member spotlight and some jokes and information about ongoing contests. Inside the packet, we have an activity for your littlest chefs that is a hunt and find, looking for different safety hazards and mistakes in the photo, because our activity is, because our skill for this kit is food safety, and so they're looking for the food safety hazards here. Also, we have our Art of Mexico activity, which explores artists which explores famous Mexican artists, and the cross-contamination puzzle, which also reviews some food safety concepts. The Mexican trivia is also there on the bottom. The food safety tutorial for this month talks about not only keeping your food refrigerated and things like that, but also about food allergens and keeping those separated and the difference between cross-contact and cross-contamination. We have a link here that gives them even more information, and then also here on the back, they can complete these tasks to earn their sticker here, which can be removed. Our recipes for this month are an authentic street corn, and then we talk about the streets of Mexico City and what they might find if they were to go to Mexico and walk down those streets. A little bit more about street vendors and what it's like to be a street vendor in Mexico. We have the Churro Chips recipe, which is where they take the tortillas and they cut it with their tool that comes in this month's kit. Is a little rotary tool, and that's really fun for cutting those tortillas or quesadillas or anything else that they want to cut with that. What's nice about this is it won't cut the kids' hands, but they can cut all kinds of foods with it. On the back of the Churro Chips recipe, we give them an alternative for making tortilla strips, which are savory seasoned. And then the Pazole, which is the Mexican soup that uses hominy. And we talk about what hominy is and how it came from Mexico and the benefits of that. The food samples that will be included in your kit will again depend on what we have available from our partners at the time.